Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum. This is Minar once again. This video is going to be very special. In this video, I will teach you how to speak English and the way and how to speak fluently that way. So this is very special for you. But I will disclose about my experience, how I have learned. So I will show you the way step by step. So keep watching this wonderful video. Well, the first for speaking, first you have to learn vocabulary. Vocabulary is more important for speaking. For example, when you will able to try speak a sentence, but if you do not know the exact word meaning, so you may hesitate or may fall problem. So first step is that you have to learn vocabulary. Some of you are, how can I intensify the vocabulary? And so for you some suggestion is that you learn vocabulary from your academic books like English books or grammar. Second is that you can read newspaper. There, for example, 𝙀𝙗𝙨 or 𝙀𝙗𝙁, but it's very actually according to your country's English paper. So you can learn the special or unknown word meaning from that. So another opportunity is that for you for learning vocabulary or vocabulary, that's the Play Store. You can go Play Store and search for about the English dictionary, and you will you are going to get a special word meaning books from the Play Store, and you can choose one of them. The third is that for learning vocabulary, dictionary. You can purchase a powerful and a go-to vocabulary dictionary and choice from the library, so you can progress the learning or your memorizing your vocabulary. So that's a good idea for you. Second is that for speaking, you get to know tense and sentences. Tense is much more another important for speaking. If you strive to translate or strive to talk to someone, if you do not know how to make a sentence, so it's another problem for you. So tense will teach you that actually how to make a sentence, how to speak easily. That if you don't know the tense, so and that would be the great way for speaking. Tense is a mother of speaking, I would say. So tense and sentence, from today you start to learning. So if you do not find any easy way for learning tense and sentence, so there are available videos in my channel, so you can watch them step by step. Then you'll be able to progress your speaking. Third is that so listen English music and enjoy English movies. So like there are on YouTube there are many English speeches and English news like BBC or something like that. You'll be able to get a lot of videos about English, so you can watch them step by step. But first you won't able to understand at all, but you have to tolerate it. But step by step you'll be able to increase your speaking style from listening. So I did this. I did like this, or from my beginning. Still, I am continuing listening. So listening and watching English movie is another vital in speaking. Fourth is that practice. You have to do practice a lot. practice is much more important. Some of you are ask for me that how I will practice. So for you, another example is that whatever you have, right and left or front and back, so about that you think and try to speak about them. So and you can practice your classmate or your friends or your mother or father or something like that, so you can practice with them. Then your fluency and speaking style will be great than other, and so will be native speaker. So from today you do this what I have disclosed. So I'd like to sort out that. First, learn vocabulary, and toe is that sentence. Third is that but listen music and enjoy the movies. And fourth is that practice. Grammar rules, the grammar rules and the regulation, the lots of vocabulary, and the grammar better than grammar better. But if you do not practice, that all are failed. But your friends, you can see that your friend realize a lots of vocabulary and words or something like that, but he doesn't speak at all because of he doesn't speak practice. So if you do practice, you will cross him or her from today. So from today apply my my tricks, and the tricks will be very important for you for speaking. Thank you very much. Thank you.